The medical industry is a great example of how explainer videos can help promote a business and simplify a message. By leveraging the power of animation, healthcare companies can make communication between patients and healthcare professionals more engaging and efficient. On top of that, organizations in the medical field can use animated explainer videos to humanize their brand. Hey, this is Sina from Kashu, and today I'm going to show you 5 amazing healthcare explainer videos that we have produced. We created this video for our client at Medco here, a platform that makes dentists' referrals quick and easy. The target audience is dentists who might or might not be tech savvy. So the idea of this video is to explain how the platform works and its benefits in a simple and straightforward way. For our client at Stronger Nurse, we wanted to create a fun narrative, reminiscent of old comic book movies like the Batman series from the 60s. Using a combination of humor and references to familiar pieces of pop culture is a great tool to make an explainer video stand out and remain in the viewer's memory for a long time. The video for this starting application follows a problem-solution type structure, where the narrative starts with the pain points of the target audience, doctors who are tired of manually filling in patient charts. By starting with the pain point that the viewers have, we engage their attention from the first second. This also makes the solution that CareScribble provides appear all the more obvious. Oasis is a mental health app that helps alleviate the negative effects of mental illness, traumatic experiences, and stress. They asked us to produce a series of educational videos that aim at providing more information about different mental health issues and how and when we should look for help. As these are educational videos, they don't include a sales pitch or any information about the app itself. Instead, they are focused on helping the viewers understand each mental state in an approachable language and with engaging visuals. Our client at Qubit approached us with the task to create a video that introduces their application, highlights its main functions, and presents the company's values. We decided to produce an explainer video that is simple yet effective. The color combinations are carefully selected to have a calming effect while making the video stand out, while the clever animated elements and transitions make the video memorable and easy to follow. Do you have a business that is hard to explain and confusing to customers? Animation can help you simplify the complex and translate the benefits your product provides into your target viewer's language. You can see more videos that we have produced in our portfolio linked below. Let us know which medical video you like the best in the comments below.